adore pearls, and more men are gravitating towards pearls as a fashion statement. Did you know that there's 5 ways to actually find the perfect pearl? There's 5 S's to pearl grading. Let's take a look. The first S is surface. With these gorgeous Kissimmee pearls, how can you tell if they're real? By rubbing the pearls against your teeth with a grit test, you will know that these are real pearls, because real pearls are not perfectly smooth. The second S is shape, such as these beautiful coin pearls found in this high tea necklace. There's round pearls, rice pearls, our baroque pearls. A variety of shapes can be found, anything from 2 to 25 millimeters. The third S is size. Pearl sizes range from 2 to a whopping 25 millimeters, but the majority range from 8 to 9 millimeters. The fourth S is shine. The more luminous a pearl is, the more expensive. And who doesn't love the sparkle of a beautiful pearl? The fifth S is shade. From the gorgeous golden southern seas, the pearls have a beautiful golden glow, to the Tahitian black magic and the greys that can be found, to this modern technology blue cerulean pearl necklace. Curious for more information on gorgeous pearls? Visit HerMJ.com and look at what makes pearls precious. Curious for more information? This is like my 100th take.